بەکارهێنانی جۆرەکانی داش لە ڕستەدا n/m داش کورتەهێڵێکی ئاسۆییە لە نێوەندی ڕستەیەکدا و بۆ جیاکردنەوەی کۆمەڵێک وشە بەکاردەهێنرێت. دوو جۆر داش هەن، یەکەمیان جۆری n دووەمیان m فەرمونون گوێ لەم دیالۆگەی نێوان کاڤیە و لووسیا بگرن کە باس لە بەکارهێنانی هەردوو جۆری داش دەکەن.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Kaveh.
And I'm Lucia. Writing can be hard, especially with all the different punctuation rules.
What punctuation confuses you the most?
Let me think. No one has ever really explained to me the proper use of dashes.
Dashes. Yeah, I always use them, but I've never been taught about them either.
The n dash, m dash, and the double hyphen are the three types of dashes. But today, let's focus on the first two.
A dash is a long horizontal line in the middle of a line of text.
It is used to separate groups of words when, as the writer, you want to emphasize a statement.
Or use them in place of a colon.
Or to replace parentheses or a comma.
The m dash does all of these things. When you want to be less formal in writing and still generate a strong emotion, you can use the m dash.
After all the neighbors arrived, including Jimmy and Taylor, the host gave a speech. The students, all 30 of them, failed the test. He is afraid of one thing: spiders.
The n dash is shorter in length and can be used to represent spans of time or ranges in numbers, or to show a connection or create compound adjectives.
I read pages 30 through 36 of the new book. I need 15 to 20 minutes to cook my lunch. The flight route is London to New York. He is the Nobel Prize-winning scientist.
And that's Everyday Grammar.